Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys which product I use to cover my stubborn acne marks. Also, I'll be creating this look using that product. So the palette I'm talking about is this palette. So this palette has 12 different color shades. So this is specially used by professionals as it has 12 shades. They can mix and match and use it. I wanted to show you guys how pigmented and how well the coverage is of this product. So that's why I wanted to make this video. I'll be putting up the link in the description box so you can go and check out all the products I've used in this video. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you get notification every time I upload a new video. So now let's get started. So one of the most important steps you need to remember before doing any sort of makeup is to always prep your skin. Now I'll be applying primer. So this is the product I use for makeup when I'm going for a wedding or party. It is super pigmented. It is specially made in such a way so that it can cover all your marks and imperfections. So this palette has total of 12 colors. This is used specially by professional makeup artists, so that's the reason I use it. It has many shades in it so that you can mix and match and create the perfect color for your skin tone. So now I'm just using a spoolie and picking up two colors to make one as per my skin tone. So it has very creamy texture. So this palette has all sort of warm, cool, and it is also used to contour. Just going to mix and see if it's anywhere near to my skin tone. So I feel it looks fine. I can use this. I'll mix the same shade and create a good quantity and then apply and show you guys. So here's the mixture. We will just apply and see. As you can see how pigmented this foundation is. I have not applied anything, no concealer at all. And the coverage is amazing, I feel. This is the thinnest layer I have applied. Blending the foundation at the same time, what you can do is use a setting spray on your sponge and then blend in so that the product stays in place for a longer period of time. As I can still see some of the marks popping out, I'll just directly go with the brush on the marks. Just apply on the marks. So now the trick is just let the product set on your marks. What you need to do now is blend the side. Don't blend the product which you applied on your marks. Blend the sides of it so that it evens out. Because if you're gonna poke on the mark, the product will come out. So make sure you don't poke on the product. Just blend the sides in. This will give a more even out look. Now you can use the same palette to highlight and contour your face. So I'm going to use the darkest shade to contour and the lightest shade to highlight my face. So this product includes foundation, highlighters as well as contour. Now we just need to blend everything in. Now I'm going to quickly powder my face. As I've applied too many creams, always make sure that you apply powder everywhere properly. So the creasing starts very quickly, so you have to be quick enough to powder your face. Here's a tip: whenever you powder your under eye, always make sure to look up, blend the creases again, and then powder looking up only, so that the crease does not get filled up with concealer. Now before you move forward, make sure to apply some setting spray. I am using MAC setting spray. You can use any setting spray before going ahead. I was using Miss Claire palette to apply a brush. It has so many colors. For eye makeup, I'm going to use my new palette from Huda Beauty. Just keeping my eyes very simple. The only trick you need to know in makeup is to blend everything in properly. If you learn how to blend things, you'll definitely become a pro. This palette is amazing. I mean, I just applied product once and it is so pigmented. This is my current favorite mascara. It makes your lashes look so voluminous. Using Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. It's my go-to highlighter for any wedding occasion. Maybelline Super Stay lipstick. That's it guys, here's the main look. This is the palette which I use to cover my acne and to highlight and contour my face. I think it's a great investment. Though it is a professional palette, it is used by professionals because we have to do makeup on different skin tones. So that's the reason I have this palette. But if you are looking to invest in a product, you can go on and buy this palette, or you can even go for their Derma palettes. They are amazing and the coverage is so good. They give you full coverage products, and these products are specially made to cover those stubborn acne marks and pigmentations. So you can definitely go ahead and buy. So hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then make sure to like and share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.